Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. Let me share with you the reasons why I'm in love with Tatcha, the Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser. So I like products that serve more than one purpose. So this product not only cleanses my skin, but at the same time, it replenishes the moisture and it makes my skin look and feel amazing. And that's because of the really unique ingredients in this cleanser. It has a Japanese rice powder, it has an algae blend, and hyaluronic acid, all in this face wash, which is incredible. Let me show you how I use it. Okay, so my skin is wet and I'm just going to put a little bit of the cream. As you can see in my hand, it's a very thick cream and you only need a very little bit, which is nice. And I rub it together in my hands and you can see it doesn't bubble, it doesn't foam, but it still maintains its nice creaminess. And I'm just gonna wash my face with it. Get it everywhere and rinse. My skin feels so clean and it feels so moisturized. And I love that the scent of this is a very light floral scent. It's not overwhelming at all. It's just a very beautiful cleanser. So if you're looking for a face wash that cleanses your skin but doesn't strip it of its natural oils and at the same time hydrates and moisturizes, well, this is the cleanser for you. You will not regret trying it, and that's my point of view.